What's going on? I'm back at it again with the Nike Benassi JDI slides. These are the black and white women's slides. They got a cool design on them that's like checkered. Now these are pretty much just your, basic JDI slides. Um, Here's a 360 view of them. Classic black and white Nike look. And this is what the bottom looks like. Now these slides are pretty cheap. They're only 25 bucks. They won't break the bank, but they're pretty comfortable and durable, so hey, why not get a pair? If this was helpful, please like this video and comment. Let me know what you think about these slides. Let me know any other slides that you guys want me to do a review on, because I'll definitely do it. So yeah, let me know. And subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm at like 800 something right now, so any bit helps. I only got like 200 left to go. But yeah, later. I also just put out a video on my channel of these Nike off-court alien slides, so definitely go check that out.